Okay guys, there are 5 screws to take out around the handle. There's 2 large ones and 3 smaller sized ones. Now this screw now that we're taking out, we don't need to take this one out. As you'll see, I will put it back in a moment. Here we go, that's what we need. So that one can go back in. Okay, so there we go guys, we can see that, there's the switch, etc. So a little look see at this, see what we've got on here. I'm going to do, just for now, I was just going to chop them there. Okay, you're going to see me cut these cables in just a second. Where the device, don't cut them as short as I did, cut them longer. In fact, cut them right up to where my thumb is. I want to pull that off there if I can. Now this was really tough to get off, really pain in the neck. But as you can see, we cut the cables flush, which is what you want to do when you're cutting it off the actual saw. And then we're just using pliers and stuff to lever it off the cable. Okay, speed, we got it off. Okay, now here guys, we need to cut off some of the sheathing of the new cable. We need to make the wires long enough to go from the rubber insert that we're about to put on to the connections. So cut off your sheathing. If you're going to do it the way I'm doing it, watch your thumb very carefully with the sharp knife. And here we're just going to thread them through the holes of the rubber grommet. It's a little bit on the fiddly side, but you can do it. Okay, here's the first one through. Now once you get both cables through, pull it up tight so that the sheathing of the new cable goes right inside the rubber granite, all the way up. Good and tight, perfect. So that can go in there. Righty-ho. Now then, and this black one we're going to have to make a connection on, I think. In fact, we're going to have to do that on both of them because this is a sealed unit. Now what I would have liked to have done earlier on is cut these longer so I could actually stagger the connections for when we're putting it back in the handle. So try not to make that mistake if you're going to do that, guys. Make sure you cut these a lot longer. In fact, cut them right up to the rubber granite. Okay, because I cannot stagger the connections here, it gets a little bit fiddly. In the bottom of where the cables are lying, there's like little sort of clips that you can push the cable into to hold it in position. So you need to sort out your little mess here and clip all the cables back into position. And as I say, because I cannot stagger the joints, I've got to put them both sides of the screw hole that holds the handle in together. So that's what we're attempting to do here. I found that putting this little bit of blue tape across here does hold the cables down a little bit, but it's at this point we realise that it's not going to go on without a little bit of modification. So we're just checking out what the problem is, and the light bulb will go off in a minute. Okay, now what we're doing here is there's little ridges inside the handle. We're going to clip them away. It's not weakening the structure of the handle, although you would think it would be, but it doesn't appear to be. And so we're going to clip a few of them away, try it, and then realise there's a couple of more needs clipping away until we get it right. Now it might look as though we're destroying the handle here, but I assure you it's structurally still sound. Okay, finally got it to the point where it's going to fit. All it needs is the screws putting back in. Oh sorry, 2 more clips to take out. These 2 are at the side, each side of the screw hole where the lugs are. So they're stopping the lugs going into place. And there we go, once they're out the way, everything's sound. Time to put the screws in. Now remember, there are 2 long ones and 3 short ones. The 2 long ones go, the 3 short ones go into the middle. Sorry, 2 short go into the middle, and 1 of the short ones goes into the big section of the handle there. That piece was doing now. That takes a short one. The 2 long ones, if you actually look at the drill, you can see where they go right into the drill. So there's no mistaking them ones. Sorry, right into the saw, not the drill. There we have it guys, no gaps. All there, new lead on. Let's test it, make sure it works. There we go guys, all working fine. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below. Thank you very much for watching. All done.